So this is James from TraffiComm, and right here in front of us is our RC car for our project. And so I'm just going to go over it a little bit and talk about some of the main components on this RC car. So we have three main components. We have the GPS module right here, the radio, which communicates all of the sensor data on this RC car to the traffic control cabinet, and we have the accelerometer right there. And so the GPS module goes to the back side of the RC unit and has the receiver right here. And another part of the RC car is the accelerometer that I already went over. And this component right here is the radio. This is a 915 megahertz radio that communicates the data over to the cabinet. And here's the antenna, which goes to another antenna over on the cabinet side. And so all of these devices will be controlled by the Arduino Mega right here. I know it's a little messy from all the wires, but it works. So, and then the Arduino Mega is powered by our voltaic lithium-ion battery right here. I didn't mention was the speed encoder, which is located right there. And so when the wheel turns, it'll be able to count the revolutions that it does. And so altogether we have, again, the accelerometer, which measures the acceleration of the vehicle, the GPS, which measures location relative to the cabinet, and the speed encoder, which is on the back right there. And so all this data is being sent, once again, over the 915 megahertz radio. That's pretty much it for the RC side. Now Brian's going to talk about the cabinet side of our project.
Hello there, it's Brian Raymond with Team TraffiComm, taking a look at part 2 of our design. This is the traffic control cabinet along with 2 of our signals. The traffic control cabinet is powered through utility power, hot neutral ground, and we are using that along with a voltage transformer to step it down to 5 volts to power our Arduino microcontroller. Also here in our design, you can see the transmitting end of our 915 megahertz lower radio. You can see the 5 volt DC relay, which we use to integrate with the traffic cabinet. Essentially this just triggers 2 inputs, stop time or green extend, and those inputs are triggered based on the conditions that it receives based on the model RC car sensor data. So here's the traffic controller, which is responsible for all of the light timings, and essentially will control the outputs going to these devices here, which are called load switches, and they will eventually turn on the signal outputs here. So we have 2 sets of red, yellow, greens, one which would be for Main Street, the other which would be for Side Street. And the ultimate goal of our project was to trigger this relay to apply stop time on the yellow or the red, or it would extend the green light if the vehicle were to pass the intersection during a green light. So here's a look at the relay and the traffic cabinet integration.
Red. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Triggered.